Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the electrifying 2024 Tesla Model S. This iconic sedan has been a leader in the EV revolution, and for 2024, it's back with more power, more range, and even more tech than ever before. The Model S retains its sleek, minimalist design, but with some subtle tweaks for 2024. The front fascia gets a sharper look, with new headlights and a revised bumper. The iconic yoke steering wheel is still here, but it's now joined by a digital instrument cluster behind it, replacing the old horizontal screen. Speaking of screens, the massive 17-inch touchscreen in the center console remains, controlling everything from climate to entertainment. The 2024 Model S comes in three variants: Long Range, Plaid, and Plaid Plus. The Long Range boasts an impressive 405-mile range, while the Plaid and Plaid Plus offer mind-blowing acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. All models deliver instant torque and exhilarating performance, making every drive feel like a rocket launch. Tesla's autopilot system gets even smarter in 2024, with features like traffic light and stop sign control added to the mix. The car can now navigate more complex urban environments with increased confidence, although remember, it's still not fully autonomous. But with constant software updates, the future of self-driving is closer than ever. The 2024 Tesla Model S remains a benchmark in the luxury EV segment. It offers unparalleled performance, range, and technology, wrapped in a stylish and futuristic package. However, the price tag is hefty, starting at around $90,000 for the long range. But for those who crave the cutting edge of electric mobility, the Model S is a compelling choice. So, what do you think about the 2024 Tesla Model S? Would you consider making the electric switch? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Check out our other videos on the Tesla Model 3, Model X, and Cybertruck. Leave your questions about the Model S in the comments. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.